How to buy cryptocurrency on Trust Wallet. If you wish to buy cryptocurrency on Trust Wallet, it is actually quite very simple for us to do so. Now all we have to do for this is to simply launch the Trust Wallet application first. And of course, if it asks you to log in, go ahead and log in using your biometrics or any other details. Now to buy your cryptocurrency, right after your login, at the top you can see the buy button. So just tap on the buy button that you can see over there. Then when you do that, you can choose the crypto that you wish to buy. So if it's Bitcoin, you can select Bitcoin. If it's Ethereum, you can select Ethereum. Based on whichever Bitcoin you want to buy or cryptocurrency, enter the amount in dollars for the worth of crypto that you wish to buy. So if I want to buy $15,000 worth of Bitcoin, you can see the amount of Bitcoin I will get with that. It will be 0 point something something. Now I can choose a payment method. By default, my credit card is selected, but I can choose any of the other methods like Google Pay, digital wallet, or even a bank transfer based on what you want. You can also choose the best provider that will take very nominal fee. Then tap on buy option right here. When you do that, it will connect you to another server or provider where you have to confirm with your payment details, and once done, you will have successfully bought cryptocurrency on Trust Wallet. This way you can buy cryptocurrency in Trust Wallet. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.